Hayden, can you wave? Wave? Can you wave? Hey, where's your froggy? Where's your froggy? Where's your duck? Where's your duck? Oh, thank you. Is this your duck? Yeah. Sit down. Where's your froggy? Can you find your froggy for me? Yay! That's your froggy. And there's your frog. Sit down, Kaden. Sit down. Will you sit down, please? Sit down. Thank you. Oh, you tricked me. Can I have your duck? Thank you. Go squirt. Why do you always put everything in your mouth?